welcome to the final series of me unboxing AEN's 3 versions of the album. So this is the final version, this is the Next to You version. Yep, so let's open this. So I've already unboxed Always version and Everywhere version. I think I liked Everywhere version better, but both were really beautiful. I love them both. So if you ask me which I liked more, it was Everywhere version. We'll see what this version looks like. Oops. Yeah, so are these the stickers? Let's see what they are stickers. Oh yes, they are stickers. It's beautiful, isn't it? So pretty. Again, cute. It's another sticker. And this time also the poster comes off as the dust jacket of the photo book. Wow, this time it's not like a one group with small pictures of old members. So we have Bomin here looking is perfect. And here, who are these 3 handsome guys? Bomin, Kyuhyun, and Harto. Wow, so pretty. Kyuhyun again. Oh, see how adorable Jeong looks. This is the leader, everyone. And this is the Maknae, everyone. So cute. And Junso, Kyra, Haru, and Jeong. Junso again. Haru, so cute. Oh, I'm so in love with this outfit. And I love this shade of green. This looks so good on me. This is Haruto. I suppose this is the poster. This is the back side of it. It's also very pretty. We are closer than you think. Okay. Don't get caught. Always, everywhere next to you. Nice. Okay. Right, so this is the photo book. Let's turn pages together. Right, so first we have this cute picture of all 7 members. So they're inside a bus. Oh, things are falling off. What is this? I think it's again a sticker. It's apparently a bus route map. So it starts with Jeong, Bomin, Kyuhyun, Haru, Harto, Junso, Kyra, and it means it's AEN. That's cute. Okay, so we have Jeong drinking water, and he's wearing a cap. It's so pretty, perfect. Yeah, he's taking pics. He's showing off his watch, and he is pouting. Things keep going. What is this? I don't know what this is, but I think it's again a sticker. But anyway, I like it. Yeah, it's a sticker. And this is Jeong. in the back of a car, and this is Jeong eating probably something. Is this food? Yeah, this is Jeong. The back of Jeong. Oh, so cute. Like, yeah, he's so adorable. Again, Jeong. Cute. Like, cutest. And this is kind of like kind of handsome, more handsome than cute. Again, pretty, adorable, beautiful, cute, cool. Yeah. So all pictures are perfect. Next we have Haru. I told you I literally love this outfit. It looks so good on him, and I think I'm going to, like, I don't know if I can find it. Yeah, he looks so cool. Like, this is the kind of boy I like to hang out with. Like, I don't know, he looks so cool, but also cute and harmless and adorable at the same time. Okay, and this is Haru again. Love his watch. I think it's the color combination, yellow and this blue and this plaid shirt. So pretty. Yeah, it's more Haru jumping around, running around, skating. Wow, cute, so cool. Like, I want to do this too. What's with this face? Cute. Like, Harry is cute, whatever he does. Next we have Junso. Okay. Wow, he looks so pretty. And also he looks like some adorable cat. Although I'm more of a dog person, like, this is the kind of cat I would definitely like pet sometime. Yeah. Wow. Pretty. Love that. Cool. Pretty. Love his hair. Oh my god. It looks perfect. Yeah, I think this photo is so pretty. More Junso. Yeah, this is Junso being Junso. And yeah, okay, we have another sticker. What is this? Oh, Eden 함께. Is this 함께? 해드립니다. I don't know what that is, but I think 함께 is ishoni. Together, I think so. Just a guess. 갑니다. I don't know, we'll do this later, otherwise I'll be taking time. And we have Kyra. Wow, love. He looks perfect. But he looks a bit funny in these photographs. Like, I think it's the hat. The hat is doing something to him. He looks like this. Like, he could be the hacker of the group. He looks like that. Wow, he looks so cool in this photo. And yeah, obviously he's hacking. Probably. And then he's meditating. and he's winking while meditating, which is odd. Okay, we have got something. Yeah, this is the CD. Ooh, yeah, it's nice. Put it aside. Back to Kyra. Again, he's with the laptop. Again with the laptop. He's busy doing something in the laptop. Like, what kind of a boy would bring a laptop to the park? Obviously a hacker. Kyra, are you the hacker of the agent? Like, you are secret agents, right? Okay, so again we have the lyrics, clockwise Korean version, and some cute photograph of Jeong with the Mac-Align, Jeong and Junso, clockwise Japanese version. So cute. Haru is the baby. Oh, what is this? Haru, I got Haru. I got Haru, guys. I love him. I like this. Thank you. Thank God. Oh my God. Look how adorable that is. Haru, please, like, I don't know, it's impossible. This is impossible, but please stay like this forever if it's possible. Okay. Clockwise. Ecstasy, which is the title track. It's Korean version. We have cutest Haru and cute Kyra. Okay, both of you are very cute. Ecstasy next to me, Japanese version. Do 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 do, adrenaline rush. Do 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 do, flowing in. Do 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 do, touch. Do 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 do, jumping in. I can't help it. I'm sorry. Do 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 do. And then what? Going deeper inside. Yeah. So what's the rap of Kyra? Wait, I've forgotten it. Lose it. Ah, yes, lose it and just let it begin. Yeah, a raw mentality. So this is something like just a raw mentality. So the rap goes like that. Please listen to it. Right. So next we have Booming. So I gotta say, whoever chose this t-shirt, the top for Booming, like, he did the right thing, because I don't know, like these colors, I don't know how it does it, but it looks so perfect on him. He looks so handsome. This is Booming applying lip gloss or lip balm. Booming again by some bridge. Again, he's taking care of the lips. Okay, Booming. Good for you. Yeah, it's good. Like, lips are really important. You have to like keep them moist, I suppose. Booming again, looking very handsome. Booming throwing punches. I don't know. I mean, he could. I told you, he looks really strong. Like, he could be the action guy in the group. Like Kyra, like how Kyra is hacking while he's doing the hacking, and he could throw. Booming could throw some punches when they're in a secret mission, and maybe this one can be the mastermind of the whole operation. Yeah, I know, my imagination is running wild, guys, but that's the fun of it, right? Okay, so the mastermind is holding a street mirror, and doing something. This is Kpop. I also love this top. Oh, it's so good on. And again, I'm sure like whatever they'll wear, it will look good on them because they're pretty. Oh, oops, oops, oops. Wow, I've got the photo card of the mastermind, Kyuhyun, the ace. And have you seen this guy's drawings? Oh my god, he can draw really well. It's something I can't do for like, I'm really bad at drawing. Maybe that's why I'm like a bit intimidated by him. It looks so pretty. More Kyuhyun. He's holding the bridge or a concrete slab or something. Wow, looks so tall here. Like his legs are so long. Again, Haru and Haruto. Love these two guys. Like I actually did edit a video about these two guys. They are so funny together. So these two guys are of same age, and whenever they are together, that's so entertaining. So this is Haruto, this is Haru. So both of them are Japanese and they're of same age. So next we have Haruto. Love this. I think this is makeup. This look on him, it looks so good on him. And this shade of green and this whole makeup combination, like it's like what they say, the chef's kiss. Right. Oops. Okay, what have we got here? Junso. Oh my god, how can he look so pretty? You're pretty, Junso. Beautiful. Kirei. Kirei desu. Kirei desu. Kirei. Okay. Kakkoi. And also Haruto is so funny. Omoshiroi. Omoshiroi. Like you literally have to watch their videos and you'll see how funny he is. Like he's probably the most entertaining guy for me from the group. So this is Haruto. He's dozing off, poor guy. He's traveling in the bus, and this is him listening to music. This is Haruto being a bit creepy. I'm kidding. I love this color, his earphones. This is Haruto admiring his earphones. He's in the bus, he's traveling in the bus. Okay. And the rest of the songs, Focus on Me, Korean version. Can you dance with me? Give me that. Oh, I don't like to accept the defeat. Should be able to sing this. Da, 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 da. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Loving that. Okay, I give up. Focus on Me, Japanese version. What's going on here? Bomin. Yeah, Bomin is carrying Kiwi. And Haruto is obviously excited about it. Chills, Korean version. And Chills, Japanese version. Okay, so the guys are at a diner eating chips and junk food and kenkoteki, right? It's healthy, Japanese food for healthy. Kenkoteki tabemono janai desu. Okay, you should. I'm sure they're eating healthy food behind the screen, but like they're showing off their junk food to us. Right. More photos of them eating. Oh, God, looks so cute. These two. So high five, Korean version. High five, Japanese version. So this is a bus route. What is this? Okay, so these two, I love the interaction of these two also. They're so like very close, and this photo is so cute. Love this. They look so happy here, and like it's such a candid photo. I love it. And there's another candid kind of photograph. It's beautiful. And yeah, finally it's credits page. That's the end. We'll quickly go through this stuff. So I got Junso looking pretty as a snack. Like, I literally don't have words to describe how perfect he looks in this photograph. And we got Haru and Haruto, the twins. I like to call them twins because they are the same age. I wouldn't tell. Okay. Then we have Kyuhyun. Okay, so this is the back of this. This is Kyuhyun in the back. And this, I think this is probably my favorite item. Haru. The CD. The stickers. So this time the stickers are separate. So these two are my favorite stickers. Probably this, because I'm not sure what they are saying. And finally we have this beautiful poster. So poster, I think I liked that everywhere version poster better, but the photo book, I think I like this one. This was more fun. I don't know. I mean, all three versions were really pretty. So guys, if you can purchase like whatever the version you like and support AEN. Even if you don't, it's okay. At least go and have a look, like have a look at their MV and listen to their songs, and you can become an ANI if you like. It's fun. I'm really enjoying it. So this is my first time being a K-pop fan, and there's nothing much to complain. I literally have enjoyed every day of it up until now, and this group, it's a really fun, cool, talented group. Yeah, okay, then I'll be ending my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, say whatever you would like to say to me, so that like maybe I'll do a better unboxing for my next videos, next albums. And also I think I'll be uploading a version without my my rantings, me yapping all the time. So you can check that out too. Okay then, bye.